Hey, John Sonmez from simpleprogrammer.com. So someone asked for a really short video, like a 1-minute video. I don't know if it'll be 1 minute, but I'm gonna keep this one short. So I think they're just trying to see if it's possible, if John could do this. So, okay, so I'm gonna get right into it. So got this email from Jason, and Jason said, "Hi John, when designing iOS apps, what's the best way to get professional designs for your background, icons, images for your app? Do you usually use Fiverr to outsource the app design, or do you use something else? Thanks, Jason." So for an iOS app, if I wanted to get backgrounds, icons, images, I would probably just go on Fiverr, like you said, to get like the icons and things like that. You can also go to like stock photo sites and get like Deposit Photo, for example, and get images and backgrounds from there. And then the other place I would look is Odesk, or Upwork is what they've renamed that to, and you can find people on there. If you have an idea of what you're trying to build for your iOS app, it's usually going to be pretty simple to find a designer that's going to be able to design that. But yeah, I usually would outsource that. I wouldn't I wouldn't spend a whole lot of time on this, and I wouldn't worry too much about like trying to find the perfect thing. Especially an iOS app is usually something quick. You're not going to make a huge amount of money on it, so don't worry too much about that. So anyway, that's my answer. Kind of keeping it short on this one. Odesk, Fiverr, check those out. Get some really cheap talent for an iOS app, and that's it. Done.